Flying a drone in winter is one of the most challenging environments to fly in. Here are a few tips I use to help me get the shot.
The drone I'm currently using is a DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Okay, it could be hours before I reach the point where I'm going to fly the drone, so that's why in the winter I use a hand warmer. The kind to get are the sticky kind with the adhesive backing, and I put that right on the back of my phone, and then I'm going to put that in my bag with the rest of my batteries wrapped in a down jacket, and I turn my phone off until I get to the point where I need to fly. The really important thing to do is keep those batteries warm. A drone is such a powerful tool for creating beautiful video in the mountains, but it's not as easy as other places because of rapidly changing weather and harsh, cold temperatures. I have hiked up a mountain with 2 fully charged batteries, only to have both of them fail because they got too cold.
I use the bottom of my board for the drone to take off.
Another thing besides being dressed appropriately is always keep moving. The longer I'm stationary, the colder I get, and the best way to generate body heat is to physically move around. I always end up with frozen fingers anyway. Another important thing to have are radios, so that you can communicate with the rider even when they are out of sight or out of earshot. Don't fly in whiteout conditions, heavy snow, or when there's low visibility, for obvious reasons. All of this footage was shot outside of the boundaries of provincial and national parks. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you, and safe flying.